Hello children. Children, today I am going to explain successor and predecessor of a number. Let's start. So, what is successor of a number, children? Successor means a number that comes just after a given number is called the successor of the given number. So, here you can see in the example successor of 10 is 11. What we have to do here, children, if you want to find successor of 10, you have to add 1 to 10. Means you can say after number will be the successor of a number. Okay, now here if you want to find successor of 5678, what you will do, children? You will add 1 to 5678 and you will get 5679. That is the successor of 5678. Same like that, children, if you want to find successor of 3 lakh, what you will do, children? You will add 1 to 3 lakh and what you will get? You will get 3 lakh 1. That is the successor of 3 lakh. Okay, so in this way you have to complete these questions. Now here, children, you can see successor of a number equals number plus 1. As we have already discussed that successor means after number. Okay, so here you can see what is written. Successor of a number equals number plus 1 and successor of 1 is 2. When you will add 1 to 1, what you will get, children? You will get 2. So successor of 1 is 2. What will be the successor of 2, children? You all know for finding successor what we have to do. We have to add 1. So successor of 2 will be 3. Okay. So in this way, same like that, if I will ask what will be the successor of 1000, what you will do, children? You will add 1 to 1000 and your answer will be 1001. So 1001 is the successor of 1000. Moving to the next page. Now here, children, you have to find the successor of the following number. First number is 200. So you all know for finding successor you just have to add 1. So when we have added 1 to 200, what we have got? We have got 201. So successor of 200 is 201. Okay, same like that, children. Here you can see we have a large number and you can see here how I have solved this question. So your number is 1 crore 28 lakh 98,341. You have to find successor of this number. What you will do, children? You will add 1 to this number and your answer will be 1 crore 28 lakh 98,342. Moving to the next page. Now remember, children, every number has a successor. Every number has a successor as we can add 1 to any number. Now here I am going to explain predecessor. So what is predecessor, children? A number that comes just before a given number is called the predecessor of the given number. Here what you have to note, a number that comes just before a given number is called the predecessor of the given number. So predecessor of 3000 is 2999. So what we have done here, children, when you will subtract 1 from 3000, what you will get? You will get 2999. That is the predecessor of 3000. Okay, same like that, if I will ask what will be the predecessor of 1. So predecessor of 1 will be, children, 1 minus 1. Okay, so your answer will be 0. Predecessor of 1 will be 0. Okay, same like this, if I am asking what will the predecessor of 1000. So what you will do, children? Here you will subtract 1 from 1000 and your answer will be 999. This one is the predecessor of 1000. It means predecessor means before number. Okay, moving to the next page. Now predecessor of a number equals number minus 1. So here, children, predecessor of 1 is 0. What we have done here, children? We have subtracted 1 from 1. What we have got? We have got 0. Okay, so predecessor means you have to subtract 1 from the number. Moving to the next page. Now find the predecessor of the following number, children. Here you can see first number is 20,001. So here we have written the answer, what will be the predecessor of 20,001? You all know what we have to do. We just have to subtract 1 from the given number. So after subtracting 1 from the given number, our answer is 20,000. So predecessor of 20,001 is 20,000. Same like that, children. Here last question, please see. Here our number is 1,28,98,341. So for finding predecessor, what we have to do, we have to subtract 1 from the number, and our answer is 1,28,98,340. Moving to the next page. So here I have written successor and predecessor of a number, children. Here you can see the number is 7,148. Successor means you have to add 1. When you will add 1 to 7,148, your answer will be 7,149. And as you all know, predecessor means subtract 1. So when you will subtract 1 from 7,148, your answer will be 7,147. Okay. So children, here our question is, write the successor and predecessor of 5,678. What is the sum of all three numbers? So children, what we have to do here, children, first we have to write the number. Here I have written the number. After that we have to write the successor of the number. Here I have written successor of the number, that is 5,679, and here I have written predecessor of 5,678. So your answer will be, what you have to do for finding the answer, you have to add all the three numbers as it is given in the answer. आप देख सकते हो यहाँ पे आंसर में, क्वेश्चन में क्या गिवन है, what is the sum of all the three numbers. So after adding all these three numbers, our answer is 17,034. So therefore sum of all the three number is 17,034. Moving to the next page. So next question is, add the successor of 5,678 with the smallest 3-digit number. So children, what you have to do here, first you have to find, सबसे पहले आपको क्या करना है, आपको 5,678 का सक्सेसर फाइंड करना है, एंड आफ्टर दैट यू हैव टू ऐड स्मॉलेस्ट 3-digit नंबर. सो चिल्ड्रन, यू ऑल नो स्मॉलेस्ट 3-digit नंबर इज 100, एंड व्हाट इज द स्मॉलेस्ट 2-digit नंबर चिल्ड्रन? स्मॉलेस्ट 2-digit नंबर इज 10. Smallest 3-digit number is, you all know smallest 3-digit number is 100. Smallest 4-digit number, you all know smallest 4-digit number is 1000. So here what is given in the question, we have to add smallest 3-digit number, that is 100. So here I have added 100. So our answer is 5,779. Moving to the next page. Now here our question is, add the predecessor of 5,678 with 3-digit greatest number. So children, you all know smallest, not smallest, greatest 1-digit number is, greatest 1-digit number is 9. Greatest 2-digit number is 99. Greatest 3-digit number is 900. 99. Greatest 4-digit number is 9,999. So what we have to do here, children, first we have written the predecessor of 5,678, and after that we have added the greatest 3-digit number, that is 999, and our answer is 6,676. Moving to the next page. Here our question is, add the predecessor of 5,678 with 3-digit greatest even number. So children, very important point that you have to note here. Here what is written? Greatest even number. Very important thing that you have to note here. Here greatest even number is written. You all know 3-digit greatest number is 3-digit greatest So children, here our question is, add the predecessor of 5678 with 3-digit greatest even number. So what we have to note here children, here in this question what is given, first you have to find predecessor of this number and then you have to add greatest even number, 3-digit greatest even number. You all know 3-digit greatest number is 3-digit greatest number is 999. Okay, and here what is written, even number. You all know this number is your odd number. Okay, 999 is your odd number, and here it is written that we have to add greatest even number, 3-digit even number. So what we will do children, here if you will subtract 1 from 999, what you will get, 998, which is your 3-digit greatest even number. Okay, this is your 3-digit greatest even number. So what you have to do children, you have to add this number to 5677, which is the predecessor of 5678. So here your total is 6675. Moving to the next page. Now here your question is, the number immediately succeeding greatest 4-digit number is. Here you have to give the answer children. Let's check whether you are correct or not. So here answer is not given, so I am going to explain the answer. The number immediately succeeding greatest 4-digit number, you all know greatest 4-digit number is 9999, and the number immediately succeeding greatest 4-digit number, what you have to do, you just have to add 1 and your answer will be 10,000. So here you have to write is, the number immediately succeeding greatest 4-digit number is 10,000. Okay, moving to the next page. Now again it's your turn, you have to write the answer. Add the predecessor of 5,11,601 with 2-digit greatest even number. I think you all know the answer. Let's check whether you are correct or not. I hope you all have done correctly and your answer is 5,11,698. With this we come to an end, and I hope these questions are clear to you. Thank you. Have a nice day.